You can do it!
Don't give up! Hit that hostile. Where's the axe? I got it. I got an axe.
Steve's been trying to do this like
Carl's got an axe
ever
too.
since the first Destructicon.
Jump on it.
Looks like it's almost there.
Yeah, so far it's already closer than it's ever been, but I really want to see this happen. Oh, he's got this.
He's like, I'm taking this door!
It's coming home! Taking you home, man?
No, it's not.
I brought you a door home!
Yeah, twist it!
He wants to do this himself.
Pick it up, Dave, man!
We never got doors up.
No, this will be the first time.
Oh, I want to get the other door.
Fuck with it.
Walk up the car with it. Walk up the hood.
Twist it! Twist it, twisty time!
Hey, what if we hold it up and you push? Hold on, I found it. What if you jump up and drop kick it? You got it, found it.
Guys,
Just one bolt right there.
one little bolt. That's the strongest bolt on the whole damn car.
It is, and it sucks.
They should make all cars totally out of that
Don't
material.
let go. And
They didn't have enough money.
it's sparking.
Keep going, get it off.
Break it. Bring it around the fender. Yeah. So you turn it around. Down this way. Yeah. There you go.
This is going to fall.
Yeah.
Keep twisting it that way. It's gonna fucking go.
This door's like, I am not gonna nod.